Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic what are the natural predators of ants. In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ants have many natural predators belonging to group of arthropods, amphibians, reptiles, mammals, birds, pathogens and even other ants when there is a competition or threat. Anteaters eat ants the most and moth butterflies are considered their worst enemies. They can avoid deadly attacks by stinging, biting, and making themselves distasteful. Predators are usually powerful and larger animals than the prey that can kill other living organisms for food. Ants have natural enemies and they use various ways to protect themselves. Many natural predators of ants exist worldwide because their bodies are easy to swallow and rich in proteins that cannot fulfill their daily requirements but provide some nutrition. One of the common predators of ants are arthropods and insects, including spiders, beetles, centipedes, butterflies, parrot flies, and many others. A few species of spiders are known to enter inside their nest by covering their bodies with chemical secretions resembling ants to smell like them. This way, they can get close to queens, eggs, and inactive members to get a chance to eat them without being noticed by the workers in the entry hall. Moreover, the black widow and jumping spiders are deadly for these tiny insects that can sometimes become prey when a group of these small creatures attack collectively. It leads to the entry of beetles into their colonies that can be responsible for massive killing. The Tetradonia beetles are efficient killers of the army ants population and feed on their workers. Furthermore, venomous bites of centipedes and toxins of assassin bugs can be responsible for death of a few workers when they come across these deadly arthropods. A few amphibians and reptiles are also natural predators, but ants are not a primary source of their diet because their small bodies cannot provide enough nutrition to the larger creatures. Some lizards like horned lizards attack colonies to eat a few of these insects, but it is considered a secondary source of nutrition as they have to eat a bulk of these insects to meet their requirements. The frogs also eat them whenever they get a chance to get closer to their colony or trials. The poison dart frogs eat these insects without worrying about their poisonous bodies. Furthermore, the snakes can also attack on their colonies to eat some ants that can add proteins to their diet when consumed in large number. But these insects can also kill smaller snakes. Most commonly, mammals eat the meat of other animals, while a few of them also consume plant-based food like leaves, fruits, and shoots. Eating ants is not the primary choice of most mammals because they need excess food to meet their body requirements, and these insects are relatively smaller in size. However, earthworms and anteaters are insectivores that prefer to consume tiny insects on the ground by extending their tongues to lick a large number of these insects. They eat hundreds or thousands of ants and termites in a day by reaching their nest as their smell organs are strong enough to detect these insects living under the ground. They have a lesser risk of predatory attacks from birds, but a few of these birds can become deadly for these tiny creatures to get nutrients. The woodpeckers, particularly acorn woodpeckers and flycatchers, attack insects including ants to get some nutritious food from their bodies. Some species of hornbills also consume these tiny insects to eat their protein-rich muscular bodies. Ravens and crows do not prefer to eat ants, but sparrows and starlings eat them. Furthermore, pigeons, chickens, hummingbirds, and grouse also eat ants in the wild or domestic environment when they find these insects crawling on the ground while picking food. It is interesting to note that a few species of ants have a cannibalistic nature and attack other fellows from the same or different colonies when they have a shortage of food resources. The queen ant can eat their larva when it is going to start a colony until the first generation gets mature and workers take care of their nutrition well. Thanks for watching the video.